Oh, shy. We tried to rehearse that. Hi everyone, welcome back. It is currently Friday, the something of July. It's very early in July. It's today, so when I upload this video, it's going to be tonight. You'll see this tonight. We're doing this morning, and we're cooking some breakfast. I'm here with my guest chef, Veronica. Today we're going to be making an Australian delicacy. It's called tiger toast. So what we need here is we need some cheese. Well, don't open the cheese yet. We need some Vegemite. You'll get some spare later, okay? And we need some bread. And we're going to be putting this in the grill. Now, where are you going? Put the cheese back. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using some Vegemite, and I've got a challenge that I would like to challenge the Vegemite challenge. I don't know if they've done that yet before, but this is what we're going to do. So what you do is you get your Vegemite, you take it off, we've got plenty in here. You get a spoon, you dip it in the spoon so you get a nice spoonful there, and then you just eat it without having any reaction. So it's kind of like the lemon challenge. So this is so much worse. You want to try it? What do you think? Really? Not good? Interesting, isn't it? She's licking her lips. You don't want to have too much as a little one because it's very strong. So, make this tiger toast. We're going to get 2 slices of bread. White bread, multi-grain bread, brown bread, doesn't matter. We need one more thing. Oh, you're having cheese already. Oi. You need margarine. Okay? So what you're going to do is we're going to put the bread in the toaster. So while that's toasting, we're going to start the grill. So set yourself up with a tray, a baking tray, and some baking paper on top. Okay, so if you don't have a toaster, you can use the grill to toast it. Just make sure you flip it both sides so it's evenly toasted each side. Next thing you need to do, you need to get a knife. Not that yet, Bubba. Not yet. Take the cheese off. That's your cheese. You're gonna eat that cheese. Get some butter, some margarine, and just make sure you spread it on nice and evenly. Okay, once you've done that, next step is Vegemite. Now Vegemite's very important, so make sure you get a good close-up on how you do this. You want to spread it all the way to the edges, but you don't want to spread it on like Nutella or peanut butter. You've got to spread it on nice and even and light. Do it too much, it'll be too yeasty, salty. That's done like that. See that? So that's how the toast, the Vegemite is spread. Next step is the cheese. You ate all that cheese. Yeah, cheese. So with your toast, we're going to fold in half. We're going to fold in half again. Okay. So you can make them thinner if you like, but it is good to just do it like that, I reckon. It's very cheesy. We're going to place them down on the bread evenly. So it looks like we're going to only use 3 on the bread. No, that one please. Put that one there. You're going to have some left over. There's going to be half a slice left. No. Hands off, 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 hands off. Here, this is yours. Here, look. It's for you. So much for helping today, Bubba. And we're going to place that down there, place that down there. And there we go. So this is how the tiger toast will look. I can talk. Okay, we'll make it nice and even. Next thing, you want to pop it in the grill. So we're going to put it on our tray, like so. And we're going to put that in the grill. Okay, so the grill is on. We're going to place that in there like that. And let's watch it cook. What we can see here, I don't know if you can see it on camera, is the cheese is starting to bubble. And we want to make sure that the cheese gets nice golden brown. So just before it gets burnt, I guess. You see it starting to bubble? There you go, it's starting to breathe. It's coming to life. Okay, it's time to take it out. There we go. Alright, so this is our tiger toast. It is probably good to make the toast a little bit thinner, so it doesn't expand over like that. But yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, there's our toast. Next step, what we'll do, I'm going to cut this up nice and small for Veronica. So we'll go right down the middle. And there we go. This is our tiger toast. Bubba, do you want to try some toast? Come up. You want to try some? They're hot, blow. You didn't have a bit. Here. What do you think? Thumbs up? Good? Is it good? Have another bite. Tell me if you think it's good. Oh, like this. Yummy? Yummy. Thumbs up. Alright, thank you for watching everyone. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and make sure you check us out on Instagram, and also, yeah, the owner of this channel, Kathy. I'm taking it over again. But yeah, follow us on Instagram, like, subscribe. We'll see you in our next video. Bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Let's start this off. Okay, I want you to walk up like this. Okay, go up there. Jump up. Say hello. Say hi to the camera. Let's try it again. Walk up there and say hi. Okay, okay, okay. Device disconnected. Why is that? Why the device disconnect? in. Good girl. Close the lid. That's it. Hold that up. Ready? Smile. Smile. Smile, Bella. Smile.
Summer in the hills, those hazy days I do remember. We were running still, had the whole world at our feet, watching seasons change.